Hey guys! I'd like to introduce you my new buddy, DJI Mini 3 Pro. His nickname is Goida, which is a Ukrainian battle cry. Although this drone is unlikely to be used for military purpose, as it's quite simple. This is my third drone. The previous one met a heroic end, and before that there was a replacement under warranty. And every time I face the issue of gimbal and drone settings. Today I don't want to explain what each settings does. You can find plenty of videos on YouTube about that, and I recommend it to check them out. Instead, I'll simply show you my settings for each mode: cinematic, normal mode and a sport mode. These settings are based on firmware version 6. I'm not sure about future upgrades, but you can use as a foundation. I'll keep this manual for myself to use with a new drone or after a firmware update. I'll show it to you so you won't have to struggle. Default settings are terrible, especially for cinematic mode. So my goal is to make the cinematic mode as smooth as possible. The normal mode is optimal for the follow me mode, and the sport mode is quickly getting away from a certain spot. It will be a simple screen record so that you can see everything. I'll also add all these parameters to the description for easy copy pasting. Like, subscribe, and let's go.